Hi, I'm Jim Brickell from Ed Learn Ford, and this is Getting to Know Your 2022 Hyundai Palisade. Yes, we do sell used vehicles here, so we want our customers buying the Hyundais to know where everything is. Starting on the driver door, we have L and R for which mirror, the arrows for which direction you're going, and the unlock and lock for your power locks, your power windows, and the locks on the windows. A little higher up, set, position 1 and position 2. So that is for your driver's seat. Now, on the side of the chair, you can adjust the back, the base, and the bolsters. Going into the left, the panel dim, brighter, and narrower. This one here says BCW, blind spot collision system. Your lane centering, so when you turn that one, it'll turn it on and you've got it showing in the upper corner. And the next one is your traction control disablement. The only time you're going to be using traction control disable is if you're buried in a bunch of snow and you're trying to rock the vehicle out of it. Below that, you can open your power lift gate from here, and your parking brake is there, the electronic one. On the side of the steering column is the release. In and out, up and down. You can adjust the steering wheel where you need it, and then simply lock it back into position. The stock column over here, you've got your lights, so it can be off, automatic, and on. This vehicle does have paddle shifters, so you can drive this vehicle as a manual transmission. You've got shift down on the left, and on the right, the plus is for shifting up. A lot of things can be controlled with your voice. That's on the left-hand side, the little picture that looks like a talking head. That one is where you give your voice control. Your modes. So I just turned on the radio with that. And I'll shut that off. When you've paired your phone to the vehicle, you can answer a call and you can hang up on a call. On the other side of the steering wheel, got your cruise control on and off. So this one is saying no route is set. You can check the tire pressure, comfort, which wheels are in motion at the time, select your contents. For your adaptive cruise control, and cancel. And in between the seats, you've got the push on and off volume. Oh yes, of course, your engine start and stop. Foot on the brake and push the button to start the vehicle. Map. So it brings up the map on your screen. You can change the display. You can change the size. And you can go back to your home screen. Map, navigation menu, quiet mode. So anyway, under navigation menu, places, points of interest categories, previous destinations, save places, Hyundai dealerships. You can program in a home address, a work address, put in some favorites so they're always there when you need them. phone.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
This vehicle does support Android Auto and Apple CarPlay using an approved USB cable. So voice memos are stored in this vehicle system until deleted. This one, when we've got the 3 rows of seats, if you're trying to talk to someone in the back of the vehicle, you can hit passenger talk. The front microphone will pick up with the driver voice and play it through the rear speakers. Quiet mode. When quiet mode is selected, radio media is played only in the front seats. All volume levels above 7 will be decreased to 7 automatically, and that's your quiet mode. So, rear climate, you can lock the rear climate controls, automatic dehumidify, auto defog, so you can control it from the front. Your radio, your media, and over here is set up. Now, go to vehicle. So you've got your driver assistance. SSC is your smart cruise control. Driver assistance, fast, normal, and slow. And cruise control to the acceleration of a leading vehicle. So, driving convenience, leading vehicle departure, alerts the driver during a stop when the leading vehicle departs. So if you're all traveling in a group together, you'll be notified of that. Driver assistance sets the timing of a warning. Warning volume, do you want it high, medium, low, or off? Driver attention warning. Inattentive driving warning provides a warning when signs of a driver inattentiveness are detected and recommends arrest. So that coffee cup picture will show up in the main screen. Forward safety, active assist, provides a warning and the vehicle control when a risk of forward collision is detected. Now you can set it for just warning only, and you can actually shut that completely off. I don't know why you would want to, but you can. Lane safety, you've got assist, warning only, and off. Blind spot safety. Blind spot view displays the blind spot view in the cluster when operating the turn signal. So as you put the turn signal on, it's showing you what's happening on the side of the vehicle. Turn signal off and it goes back. Safe exit assist. Assist the occupants in safely exiting the vehicle by detecting traffic in the blind spot and providing a warning. So right now all of those are in the on position, and if you choose to do so, you can shut them off. Parking safety. Rear cross traffic safety provides a warning and emergency braking when a risk of rear cross traffic collision is detected while reversing. So you're backing out of a parking spot, there's trucks on either side of you, you can't see what's coming. The vehicle can actually look sideways and warn you if something is coming. Next you have drive terrain modes. For those, you're going to come down here. Right now it's in comfort. And eco. Your display is now switched to green. When you switch to sport, the outside display goes red. And there's also what we refer to as the smart mode. In that, the vehicle is going to learn your habits and make adjustments to the drive modes accordingly. So it's kind of a neat display. Next one, oops, heads-up display. So we've enabled the heads-up display. Display control. So you can adjust the height of it, and the rotation, and how it's going to display. So right now you can choose all of these turn-by-turn directions when you've got the navigation settings. Traffic signs, driving convenience info, lane safety info, blind spot safety info. So as you're driving, all of those things can pop up when necessary. The speedometer, you can change the number size, large, medium, or small. This is kind of cool. You can also change the color that it displays. So you can have it orange, white, or green, and whichever one is easiest for you to see. So you can make the adjustments to make your driving nice and pleasurable. The cluster, energy consumption reset after refueling, content selection, climate, automatic ventilation, defog, defrost options, climate features, and then you scroll farther. Seat position change alert. When the seat position changes, details of the change are shown in the seat image. Third row seat back folding. Seating easy access. Next one down is lights. So the headlight delay is in the on position. So how long it'll delay is up to you. Your doors. Do you want all the doors to unlock, or would you like just the driver door to unlock and then press the second time for the rest of them? So that is your choice. Your power liftgate. The power liftgate button can be used to automatically open close the liftgate. A power liftgate opening speed can be adjusted. And there's also what we call a smart liftgate. Opens the liftgate automatically when approaching the liftgate with the smart key. So if you're picking up some big stuff, say at Home Depot or wherever, you can turn on the smart liftgate. So when you approach with all your parcels, it'll automatically open and you can just go ahead and load things in. And farther down we have convenience. Rear occupant alert. So if a rear door is opened and closed before the driver exits the vehicle, the driver is reminded to check the rear seats for other passengers and belongings before leaving the vehicle. Welcome light, wireless charging system, auto rear wiper. So there's a variety of things that you can control in here. So you've got your screen theme layout, your display, your buttons, your blue link, and then we've got general. So standard class, the model, system info, your user's manual, date and time. So it's got the GPS time format is 12 hours, and daylight savings time is set to automatically go. Language, you've got your choice of English, French, Spanish, and I think that's Chinese. I'm not 100% sure. Keyboard, English, Latin keyboard type, default keyboard. Your volume for your radio, your map, navigation, radio, media, your four-way flashers, seeking to the next station. Set some favorites, and a setup button on there as well. And after you've got everything set up the way you want it, the little house can be there. Now, for the shifter, you've got your park, neutral, reverse, and drive. Auto hold refers to the braking system. So if you put your foot on the brakes, it'll hold the brake until you hit the accelerator. Change your drive modes in here. This one is downhill brake control is on, so it'll hold a constant speed while going downhill. And turn it back off. Reverse park sensors, so you can turn those off. If you're towing a trailer, there better be something within 6 feet behind you. The auto stop start, so if you don't like the engine completely shutting off when you come to a stop, you can override it with that button there. Now, your seats. The blue is for a cooling seat. High, medium, low, and off. The heated seats. High, medium, low, and off. Heated steering wheel. And then for your passenger. Now on the fob, you can lock and unlock. You can start the vehicle. You can open the rear hatch. And when you push the button, it opens up. Wireless charging pad. And on the side, makes for drink holders. These you can push back in and manually close that. Up on the rear view mirror for garage setting, garage doors. And in the overhead, your SOS, you can pin a location, lights on, lights off, just the light on the driver's side, just the light on the passenger side, and if the lights are coming on or off when you open the doors. This one has the moonroof, so open and close. So this has been an orientation for new owners of the Hyundai Palisade. Hope you enjoy your vehicle.